Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Clark, and we're going to do 7,536 divided by 3. So follow along with the Google Slides or just grab a piece of paper and you can try it with me. Our dividend is our biggest number. It's getting divided up, and we're dividing it into 3 groups. And our quotient is what we don't know yet. I'm using the standard algorithm: divide, purple; multiply, red; subtract, green; blue, bring down. So I encourage you to pause the video, try it on your own, and then unpause just to check your work as you go, because you'll learn a lot more that way. Also, a good idea to skip count your 3s, because you're going to be seeing how many times 3 can fit into these numbers when you divide. And if you already have it written down, it'll save you a lot of time. All right, how many 3s fit into 7? Or how many times can you skip count your 3 to get close to 7 without going over? If you said you can get to 6, that's correct. And how many times did you skip count? 1, 2 times. So 3 fits into 7 2 times, which makes sense because 2 times 3 is 6. All right, our next step is to subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Think to yourself, what are we going to do next? Bring down that 5. All right, our next step is to divide again. Think, what are you dividing? We're dividing 15 divided by 3. Well, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and you can check that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We multiply it back down now. 5 times 3 is 15. That one fit in perfectly, so there's nothing left over. But you still subtract just to check that. And then we go ahead and we bring down our next digit. What are we doing next? Next, we're dividing 3 divided by 3. Any number divided by itself is 1. Think to yourself, what do we do next? We're going to do 1 times 3, which is 3. Subtract, and there's nothing left over. And then try to finish this off on your own. Pause it and then come back. We're going to bring down this 6. That was our blue step. Go back up to purple and divide. 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Then we multiply back down just to check that there's no remainder. 2 times 3 is 6. Nothing left over, so there's no remainder.